Hello and welcome back to another shave. Today's shave is really just a test shave of this Geneva Cutlery 6/8 hollow ground round point razor that I honed yesterday on synthetic stones. The soap of the day is a very special one, very difficult to get. This is the Holy Black Shop shaving soap. New York is where these people are located. And this is a very special scent to me. I used traditional Schulten Old Spice for years and years as an aftershave. And the scent of this soap is Old Spice with a little bit of gunpowder in it. So, I mean, you know, it really just doesn't get better than that. So let's get the shave underway. So this is a good but not exceptional soap base. Not all of them have to be exceptional. You can make most of them work. But I should tell you that this is coming from somebody who became so lazy that he used bar soap for more than a year to shave with. So my standards may not be very high. This is definitely a lather that feels good. It's very slick and can produce some volume if you want it to. But for me, this is all about the scent. And of course the shave test. Got to test this edge. This is a synthetic edge. I haven't done a synthetic edge in a while. And I only went to 12K, no fancy stuff. Just your basic edge that I think will be easy for most beginning or new honers to create. So let's see what we think. It's been a while. Very nice. Which is what I expect from a synthetic. You have the most control over abrasion with a synthetic. Then you should be able to dial in the type of edge you want. It may not have the character, well, it won't have the same character as a natural stone edge, but we're shaving here. I don't know whether I can find the scent notes to the Holy Black fragrance. As I said, it's Schulten Old Spice with gunpowder. I know a lot of you I've never tried Schulten Old Spice. It's a little stronger and more out front from a spice perspective than the modern interpretation of it, because people don't want to be so brazen with their scents these days, which is probably a good thing. In my day, I think stronger scents made a lot of sense because everybody smoked, and you got to overcome the strong odor of tobacco everywhere. So today, with far fewer people smoking as heavily, wow, that's a really good first pass. Yeah, you can really refine a synthetic edge. And if you use low angle and light touch, which I just recently kind of reminded myself how to do on a video, if you really stick to your technique guns, you can get an exceptionally comfortable and really close shave from a synthetic edge. This one is really comfortable. This meets all those criteria. Now, the experience of using synthetic stones gets old, but that's for people. I mean, it's fun to try new stones, but you know, I've done thousands and thousands of sharpenings over the years, mostly for other people. And so, you know, it's nice to have a variety. I love the feel of it. And it's nice to have the variety of experiences available to me when I do sharpening. But the vast majority of those thousands and thousands of sharpenings have been done on synthetic stones. Now, I have a lot of them, but nonetheless synthetic stones, and you know, they're a great tool. They're an exceptional tool, man-made, engineered, and they do a great job. So they definitely have their place. If you're new to the hobby, I strongly urge you to really get to know them. You really get to know how to use them. It is not an inferior edge. Right now, by now, the scent of this soap, the gunpowder, is really going well. I mean, it seems so familiar to me. Really enjoying this shave. Don't have much to say, so this is pretty much a shave about nothing. But I'm glad you're joining me. It's Monday, December 22nd, day after the winter solstice. So all of our days get longer from here on out. in the northern hemisphere. So we're in winter. So summer, southern hemisphere is in summer. And everything there is upside down, so, you know. Wow. That's one hell of a two-pass shave, I gotta tell you. Doesn't get better than that. Great soap. Well, good enough soap. Good enough edge. Great edge, really. And incredible, incredible scent. We're going to put on some Thayers coconut toner here. If I can get it open. There we go. There's that. And wow, super BBS for just 2 passes. That's amazing. All right, I'm going to dry off everything, clean the brush so you can see it, and I'll be right back. All right, the brush for the day was a Wald synthetic knot. I have several of these. Oops, there's the coin. These are wonderful brushes. I say that every time. And the aftershave, as you might expect, is going to be the Holy Black House Aftershave. Again, Old Spice with gunpowder in it. I'm not a gun guy, but my father was. He was also an Old Spice guy. So you wonder where I got it. So this is super nostalgic for me, this scent. And this is a real alcohol splash. Oh man, that feels good. All right, happy holidays. Best to you and yours for this season, and thank you for watching.